Hey guys, I have a couple things to open today. Got in the mail today. Let's see what this. I'm pretty sure I know what this is. Got these on eBay. Yep. Just got 4 walking liberties. Been tempted to buy, like a bunch, but figured I'd just go slow. 45, 37, 42. Looks like a 37. Not in the best shape, but I got them at a good price, so I'm happy about that. Let's see what else we have here. Got 10, the 2015 kookaburras. Yes, 10 of those. Five-ounce Year of the Goat. Been trying to collect one of every size, not the kilos, but the 1 ounce, half-ounce. What do we have here? Oh, I got some half-ounce koalas. 5 of those. $2014. Five-ounce Year of the Goat, Year of the Horse, excuse me. I'd like to get the 10-ounce Year of the Horse. I haven't gotten that yet. I do have the 10-ounce Year of the Goat. And that's for that. Yeah. So this was purchased after I may have had a couple drinks, went shopping on the internet, a little bit of an impulse buy, but I thought they looked nice, so I got 2. This is from the Royal Canadian Mint, the Dreamcatcher, half-ounce. It looked a little bit different online, but still a pretty coin, I guess. Let's see, so 10,000 mintage of that one. And this one's just the same, so I won't open that. But that's it. Thanks for watching.